Every great bar of coconut soap begins high above the tropical ground. Quality begins before the factory doors ever open. The journey from plantation to production has officially begun. Every movement is carefully planned for efficiency. From fertile plantations, the coconuts arrive where science meets industry.
The factory welcomes its most important raw material.
Careful handling protects every coconut before processing. Every approved coconut earns its place in production.
Now the real factory process begins.
Every department is connected by continuous precision. Technology keeps every stage operating with remarkable accuracy. The pressure on line 3 is still reading high. We need to check the calibration on that gauge.
Every coconut is prepared for the transformation ahead. The first stage of industrial refinement is now underway. Continue to phase 4. Mechanical brushing perfects what water has already been. Only the finest coconuts continue through production. Uniform sizing ensures balanced processing from start to finish. Human experience adds confidence to automated precision. Preparation is complete, and transformation is about to begin. The shell opens, revealing the valuable heart of every coconut. Every valuable part of the coconut is carefully recovered. Precision machinery removes the ingredient that will become soap. Purity remains essential at every production stage. Smaller particles unlock greater extraction efficiency. Carefully controlled heat prepares the coconut for maximum oil recovery. Golden coconut oil begins its journey toward premium soap. Filtration refines the oil to industrial purity. The factory now holds the pure foundation of every soap bar. The true transformation begins as pure coconut oil enters the soap-making process. Pure coconut oil enters the heart of industrial soap production. Precision mixing creates the foundation of every soap bar. Heat transforms coconut oil into the building blocks of soap. The transformation from oil to soap is now complete. Refinement prepares the soap for a smooth finish. Every pass through the rollers improves quality and consistency. Controlled drying creates the ideal soap texture.
Carefully selected ingredients complete the soap formula.
The soap now takes its final industrial form. Automation now shapes every bar with remarkable precision.
Automation cuts every bar with perfect precision.
Every bar receives its final identity. Controlled cooling preserves strength and consistency. Intelligent automation prepares every bar for inspection. Every soap bar is examined with exceptional accuracy. Only perfect soap bars continue the journey. Real-time data keeps production running at peak efficiency. Every conveyor moves in perfect harmony.
The finishing touch brings every bar to perfection.
Every perfect bar is prepared for its protective packaging. Consistent packaging begins with perfect material alignment. Automation protects every bar with remarkable consistency. A secure seal preserves freshness and product quality. Every package receives its unique production identity. Precision measurements guarantee consistent quality. Robotic precision prepares every shipment for packing. Individual soap bars become organized commercial packages. Every carton is sealed for safe transportation. Every production batch must prove its quality before shipment. Perfect packaging reflects perfect manufacturing. Accurate weight guarantees product consistency. Strength is carefully measured, not simply observed.
Science confirms the purity behind every soap bar.
Safety is verified through rigorous scientific testing.
Only approved batches move forward to distribution.
Certification marks the completion of quality assurance.
The count on pallet 4 looks correct.
Yes, the robotics are running smoothly today.
Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure. Every pallet is digitally tracked before storage. Efficient logistics keep production flowing without delay. Thousands of finished products wait for their destination.
Every shipment is prepared with complete accuracy.
The factory's work is nearly complete. One final inspection guarantees a safe journey. From factory floor to the world, every shipment begins here.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut soap from start to finish.